Audi A6 all-road 2006. There is coming screen, everything. Screen is on, just mute symbol is there. Now I have took out amplifier, so maybe it's not coming, but everything coming, just no sound and mute. What I found, diagnostics say that channel 47 cannot be reached. And sound amplifier is located here, up, this connector. Here is this cooling fan. Took it apart, looks everything nice, just this corner. It was full with rust. You see, legs is black, so problem is here. Another side is also, I found short. Here it is. Somewhere something is there. Some rust is shorted. Now I'm gonna try to clean it and see is it wake up or it's still dead. Amplifier number like this, both. So I got cleaning, and now I took more carefully, and I see that processor one leg is also corroded, and here one hole is corroded. So probably need to change this one. I'm gonna try to measure this hole have continuity to another side or not. If it's not have, I try to connect, and nothing else I can do. I have cleaned this. I'm gonna clean this processor leg, and here I already cleaned. So, and we will test. Okay, I have connected temporary, just for check, and have screen is on, but there is no sound. Still is no sound. Yes. So something dead. And let's try to connect. No, it's not connecting. Okay. Customer buy new one, insert, and everything works. Also, maybe it not work. It could be that have component protection. This component protection I still don't know how to remove. I know, but need online this equipment. Audi, Volkswagen, Audis or something, how it calls. Yes, here is nothing. But problem there is in rear. If you have everything, video, if you have here everything looks like works, but is no sound, so check sound amplifier for water damage. Audi A6 all-road. See you on next video.